Hi, so this is my presentation for the major career plans and ideas. So first things first, I am Jackie France, and that's my picture. So the career I chose was Leadership Analyst for the CIA. And a little bit about this career, it's located in the Washington, D.C. metro area. The starting salary is between $55,000 and $82,000 a year, depending on your experience level. And then they also offer a foreign language bonus. So if you know a foreign language fluently, you're eligible to receive a bonus in salary. And a little bit about this job is that basically you are in charge of creating in-depth profiles of foreign leaders through research and assimilation of data, and you give that information to United States policymakers in order for them to get a better understanding of what foreign leaders are doing. And so the required education for this job is you need a minimum of a bachelor's or a master's degree in any of these fields of study or any related studies, and one of those is psychology. And you need to have coursework or showed interest in leadership studies, small group behavior, or decision making, and graduate with at least a GPA of at least 3.0. So the relation of education to my 4-year plan is in my 4-year plan, I planned classes that related to the field of psychology, as well as included electives that relate to international studies and affairs. I planned on going as far as getting my bachelor's in psychology and then finding full-time employment or an alternate branch of going towards a master, which both relate to this job. And then in my 4-year plan, I also included a possible internship with the CIA, which would give more experience. And so why psychology? Why psychology? I've always found the subject matter of psychology very interesting. I've always had a dream of working for the CIA or the FBI, which have a preference of specific degrees, psychology being one of them. And then I want to help people using the skills I learn and develop. So the comparison this has to Chapter 13 is two of the things that they listed is I have a very strong interest in the subject matter of psychology, and a bachelor's degree in psychology will help prepare me for a job. And so, yep, that is my presentation. Thank you.